Here we go. Yum, yum, yum. Let's open this bad boy up. So, what is in the box today? Oh. We've got a couple more stickies. Thanks for coming. Got the full kit. This is what we're talking about. 70 kilos. This is what we want. These are for obviously my long arms that we weld in. Bumpstops for the front. Core retainers, nuts and bolts. No idea what that is. Core retainers, superior. Thank you very much. Yes, hello, Wonder. What is all this? Yes. Some serious bit of kit. Yeah, right. Fuck, that is some serious bit of kit. Then my second one here. Holy fucking moly. Well, that's a good sized plate. Might use it as a fucking snowboard or something. Oh, wow. Yeah, right, so that is the Bud's Customs kit that Buddy has sent down from Queensland for us. So what I've got here is basically his hybrid long arm kit for the front, which is replacing the stock factory radius arms that come out of the car. I'm telling you, this is not light like that. That's my thumb, so it's still bigger than my thumb. It's a lot bigger than my thumb in thickness. So if you're gonna snap that, you're obviously doing something right. Like he gives you, you know, the entire kit. You know, it's very thick shit. It's not light, I'm telling you, but I suppose when you're trying to do hardcore stuff, you don't really want shit snapping. And yeah, this is his long arm for the rear. It is also not light, but it stops the articulation in the arse end, and he gives you these plates that are to be welded in for those long arms, as well as in here I've got basically an extension kit for the fronts for my so I've already got extensions there. I'm going to chuck those in, make it a little bit more plush for my shocks so they stop bottoming out. And yeah, so that's basically the whole kit that Buddy sent me. Pretty bloody keen to get it in, and that will be what is happening next on the car, basically installing all this gear in and getting this old girl running.